A two-variable data table lets you view the relationship between two input cells and one result cell. I want to examine the impact of sale price and the yearly sales volume on the net income from selling the mini loaders. I will create a two-variable data table to do this. Active this cell, click Format Painter, select these cells. Click Merge and Center. Again click Merge and Center. Again active this cell. Click Copy button. Then active this cell. Press Enter key. Now select these cells. Click Merge and Center. Then select this cell. Click Copy button. Then select this cell. Press Enter key. Then click Fill arrow button. Select this color. Click Bold button. Increase the size of font up to 12. Click Bottom border arrow button. Select all borders. Now copy the values in this range and then paste them into this range. First select these values. Click Copy button. Then select this range. Press Enter key. In this range, enter the average price per unit values. Suppose first value is $240. Press Enter key. Active this cell. The last value is $280. Press Enter key. In two variable data tables, the reference to the result cell is placed in the upper left corner of the table at the intersection of the row and column input values. In this case, I will enter a formula in cell K3 that references the company's net income. Enter the formula. First enter equal sign, scroll down, click this cell reference. Press Enter key. Now active any cell that contains $sign. Click Format Painter and select these cells. The two variable data table is completed using the same data table command used with the one variable data table, except that you specify both the row input cell and the column input cell. First select the cell references range, click Data tab, click What If Analysis arrow button, then click Data table. In row input cell box, select this cell reference to reference the average price per unit value from the income statement. In column input cell box, select this cell reference to reference the number of units produced and sold value from the income statement. Click OK. Active any cell that contains $sign. Click Format Painter. Select these cells. So second two variable data table is completed. These values are called result values, and these values are called input values. The break-even points for different combinations of price and units sold are easy to track because negative net income values are displayed in red and positive net income values are displayed in black. For example, If the average price per unit is set to $240, company must sell between 15,000 and 18,000 loaders to break even. However, if the price is increased $260, the break-even point falls between 9,000 and 12,000 loaders. So the break-even point is between these two cells.